Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today I'm going to be showing you Wille wigs, so stay tuned. Okay, so Wille was kind enough to send wigs to show you, and of course you can find all of these wigs over at frannieshair.com. I'll also have the links for these wigs in the description below. Okay, meet Dance in Candy Blonde Tipped. Dance is described as step out in style with Dance from the Perucci collection. This tussled synthetic style offers relaxed beach waves and a long side-swept fringe that is sure to freshen up any look. The cap on Dance features a monofilament part and an extended lace front hairline to give the illusion of the hair growing right from your scalp. So let's first look at the lace front here. To me, because this has the dark rooting, it does have some darker knots there that you can see. So I would probably use some of my powder on that. And here you go, here's the monofilament part. The measurements. The front is 7.5 inches. That seems about right. The crown, 9.5 inches. The nape, 2.5 inches. And the sides, 7.5 inches. The color, Candy Blonde Tip, is described as pearl platinum blonde mixed with light reddish brown and pure white. So hopefully you can see that all in there. And it doesn't give us the color on the rooting, but you can definitely see that it has a darker rooting. And we'll take a look at the color outside. All right, let me spin for you and show you the whole style. As far as permatease goes, very little, if any, density. This is very low density. They didn't give us a weight on this, but she is very light. To style her, probably the only thing I would do is put a headband in if I was going to use anything, or put her behind the ears. You guys know. All right, as far as how she fits, she's fitting me perfectly. I would not adjust her at all, so we'll take a look at where the adjusters are when we come in from outside. Okay, under the ear tabs with the glasses, I would feel this. Over the ear tabs, no problem. Oh, let me look down. Glasses still stay on. All right, let's take this lady outside. Oh, it's a hot day out. Here's Candy Blonde Tipped. Out in the sunlight, you can see that it's reddish in the root there, like they described the reddish color in there. Let me just take you around. If you're wondering why I'm in the driveway right now, a bug chased me over here. I think it was a wasp. Anyway, beautiful color. Okay, so let's take a look at the cap. All right, so you can see here that it has an extended lace front, ear tab to ear tab, a monofilament part that goes all the way back to the crown, which is nice because that crown area will be less dense and will look more natural. You have the open wefting, the velvety ear tabs with the metal stays, the extended nape, and the adjusters are adjusted in a bit there, you can see. So that's why it was fitting me better. So I would say that this goes to an average, definitely. Okay, that is Dance in Candy Blonde Tipped. All right, this wig is called Mood. Now, somebody asked me to review Mood Deluxe, so I contacted Wille and said, do you have Mood Deluxe? Because I don't have it to review. And they said, we don't have it to send out to you right now, but we do have Mood, which was the same style without the upgrades to the cap. So I'm showing you the style of this. The cap is not the same. Mood Deluxe has been upgraded, and you'll hear about that in the description. So let me read to you about Mood Deluxe, and keep in mind that this is Mood, but it's still the same style. Mood Deluxe by Wille is a treasured chin-length bob crafted to give you an absolutely natural look. The Mood is created with Wille's new and innovative prime hair. Prime hair is a proprietary composition of human hair enhanced with premium synthetic fiber, which allows for longer lasting vibrancy of the colors. Prime hair is also stylable, and due to the premium synthetic fiber, which withstands heat up to 350 degrees, so that's pretty hot, any style you give these wigs will hold much longer and even through washings, so that's nice. This is workmanship at its finest, creating the perfect wig wearing experience. Featuring a very thin hand knotting, the Mood Deluxe provides a new innovative extended lace front that seamlessly blends into the front part, replacing the well-known monofilament. The soft and caressing hair provides a great sense of well-being and is unmatched with its versatility and styling. The cap is adjustable and lightweight, providing comfort with a custom fit. Mood Deluxe is part of the Ellen Villa Prime Power collection. So, I will show you the cap of this. It's a very nice cap, but it sounds like the upgraded cap is even better. And I'll try to point out where the differences are. In the new cap, obviously your fibers are heat friendly. It described that. You can use up to 350 degrees. You have a double monofilament top, a partially hand-tied cap, and an extended lace front. Now as far as the style goes, it's the same. The measurements, the front 5.5 inches. So if I wanted a bang, I could snip that there and, just have a nice little bang there. Or leave it longer and swept to the side. The crown is 8 inches. The nape is 2 inches. The sides are 6.5 inches. And she weighs just 2.8 ounces. The color sand mix is described as medium ash blonde, light gold blonde, and light strawberry blonde blend. So I think you can see all of that in there, and it is not a rooted color. I'm going to spin for you and show you the style. Really cute and so natural looking. Definitely low density, no doubt about it here. This is as low density as they come. So if you're looking for something low density, this is a great wig for you. As far as fit goes, she's fitting me well. We'll take a look at where the adjusters are, and we'll also take a look at the stretch in the cap. But really, so nice. I would just put her behind my ear and out the door I'd go. All right, let's try the glasses on. Under the ear tabs, perfectly fine. And over the ear tabs, also perfectly fine. I just realized I forgot to show you the ear tabs on the other wigs. Let me show you on this one. I apologize about that. Okay, so you can see here, the ear tabs don't cover my hair here. So I would need to use some sort of root powder or just keep it covered. My hair does grow further forward. Usually my hair shows to some degree. So that's true in this wig as well. All right, now let's take her outside for the color. Okay, so here's the color sand mix. You can see the different colors in there. I would say it's not a lot of strawberry blonde, a touch of it. And I know that the cap features have changed, but I'll just show you how the lace part's done. There, it looks really nice. Okay, let's take a look at the cap. It is different. This Mood, which is no longer available, had a lace front that's just temple to temple. The new one has the extended lace front, but the cap is partially hand-tied, as is the new one, you can see. And the velvety ear tabs it has, and the extended nape, and Velcro adjusters are all the way out, and it fit me fine. So there is a decent amount of stretch here, and I would say that this goes to an average. Okay, so that is Mood. The one that you would be able to get now is Mood Deluxe, and it's a human hair premium synthetic blend in the color Sand Mix. Okay, meet Fame in Auburn Mix, another incredibly low density piece. This is low density. Fame is described as A beautifully cut short style with long layers, suitable for any occasion. This short style can be transformed easily from classic to modern and edgy. And you can see that in the stock photo. She has it spiked up a bit more, and you could do that with some Peace Out cream, some hairspray. The impeccable ear-to-ear extended lace front, so let's take a look at that there, offers you confidence in a seamless, natural hairline. The premium synthetic fiber used to create the fame mimics the appearance, feel, and movement of biological hair. And this is not a heat-friendly wig. She has a monofilament part, so hopefully you can see that there, and is partially hand-tied. The cap is actually a really nice cap, so I'll show you the cap after we come back in. The front is 4 inches. So you could wear it as a bang. For me, 4 inches is a little bit long for a bang, so I'd probably have to snip it a little. And then, you know, you can put it behind your ears, or you can just wear the bang off to the side like that. The crown, 6 inches. The nape, 3.5 inches. The side, 4 inches, and this weighs just 2.2 ounces. Like I said, very light. I don't feel any permatease. The density is low density. Let's take a look at the ear tabs here. So this hair is part of the wig. That looks very natural. And you can see a little bit of my hair here and a little bit there, but really good coverage on this one. Again, this is part of the wig, and you can see a little bit of my hair there, but very good coverage. All right, let's look at the glasses. Under the ear tabs, no problem. Over the ear tabs, no problem. As far as fit goes, I would say she's fitting me really nicely, so we'll look at where the adjusters are when we get back in. All right, let's take a look. Oh, I didn't read to you about the color. Okay, the color Auburn Mix is dark auburn and deep copper brown with dark brown blend. It's a really pretty color. Now I know that this is a very popular wig, and I think it's out of stock right now, so you'll have to keep checking back to see when it's available. All right, let's take a look at the color outside now. Okay, so here's Auburn Mix. You can see the brown and the auburn in there. Cute style. Okay, unfortunately, I lost the part of my film where I showed you the cap, so I'm going to show it to you here. This cap has an extended lace front from ear tab to ear tab. The ear tabs are the velvety material. The center portion is hand knotted. There's closed wefting toward the nape and Velcro adjusters with an extended velvety nape. Okay, so there you have it. If you have any questions at all, please put them in the comments below or head on over to our private Facebook group, Frannie's Hair. We have over 3,400 members there now. Just make sure you answer the membership questions and agree to the group rules so that we can let you in. It's a great place. There's so much support with the other women there showing pictures of themselves in all different wigs, all different colors. You can ask any questions and get them answered. And we also have our wig experts over there to help you as well. You can find all of these wigs at frannieshair.com, and I'll have them linked in the description below. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.